In this video, I'll show you the solution, which basically is a script that goes to this page, logs in with username and password, and then clicks over to contact us. That link, that's it. So let's go to REPL, and I'm going to fork to duplicate one of these REPLs, and the most similar one is login and click. So fork on online retailer. So that's the website. It looks like that. So the first thing we want to do is provide here the login page, which is, so let me log out and press on that icon, and this is a login page. So copy the URL and paste it in there in the driver, and then return the driver. We get the driver, and then we find the element, the username. So this box here has an ID of customer email, and let's see the password as well since we are here. So customer email and customer password, those two. Let me copy that, paste it here. So find element by ID and customer password. This one is the name, this is the ID. So paste it there. Now we need to provide the username and the password. The username was, in my case, app7flask.gmail.com. So it's your email address which you used to sign up on that website. And then the password is this in my case. In your case, it should be your password. And then we press the return key to log in. Next, we should find this XPath. So inspect that, this one in here. Right click, go to copy full XPath and paste it in there and click it. So dot click. And it should be okay. So let's run this script. Expand a bit more. Here comes the browser. Here goes the login page. The data should be entered in a minute. Yeah, in a second. Right. And we got a problem. So unable to locate that element. And that is, let's see, up here, line 25. Right. So this element was not located. So let's try to get the XPath instead of contact us. So right click here, copy just the XPath. Sometimes the full XPath works, sometimes just the XPath. So that value there, paste, and be careful with the quotes. So maybe we want to use single quotes to wrap this string around, since we have these double quotes inside the XPath itself. So that should be fine. Yeah, I'm going to run. Here comes the login page. Successful this time. So if I scroll up, you will see that the URL is here. So driver.current URL gives us the URL of the contact us page. So everything worked fine, and this is the final code. Thank you.